Hello guys, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make this lumpy and yet delicious melon soup that most Nigerians love to enjoy. And just to mention three ingredients, I'm going to be showing you my peppers and my onion that I'll be using for this recipe. And to a bowl, I've already added my blended melon, and I'm going to season that with some seasoning cube just to get some nice taste into that. Okay. Then next I'm going to add chopped onion. You can either add blended onion or chopped onion depending on how you want it. Okay. Then next I'm going to add water, and that's after mixing it of course with the onion. I'm going to add water to that to form a thick paste, and this is the consistency you should be looking for. You want to ensure that the paste is thick enough, not so runny. So to a pot, I'm going to heat up some oil, and you want to ensure that you don't bleach the oil, please. Okay, you don't need to bleach it. So next, I'm going to add my blended pepper or roughly chopped pepper. You can either make your peppers very smooth or roughly chopped. Okay, so it just depends on your preference, right? So next, I'm going to season it with some crayfish, seasoning cube, salt, and whatever season you want to add at this point, just add them. Okay, if you want to add locust bean, you can as well do that. Then I'm going to stir that to combine, then add my paste, that's my melon paste into that. And you can see the way I just did it. Then you want to cover that to kind of fry and at the same time steam for a few minutes. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead to break the lumps and stir fry. Ensure that you fry it properly. I'm using a non-stick pan anyway, so it makes it easier to fry. But if you're using the regular pot, please, you don't need to cover it, just have to stir as you go. Okay, so it is nicely fried at this point. Then I'm going to add my meat stock. Okay, then I'll cover that to cook. That is just what you need. Just cover it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes thereabouts, and this is it. But at this point, the oil that I added is not enough, and I'm adding more. Then I'm going to cover that to cook again. Okay, because of the oil, I don't want the taste of the oil or the smell of the oil to retain in the soup, and that's why I did that. Okay, and now it's ready, and this is me adding my vegetable, that's pumpkin leaf. I want to stir that to combine. Then next, I'm going to add my fried meat like protein, fish, whatever, and add to the soup. Then stir well to combine. Cover to steam for few minutes, like 2 3 minutes, and you are done. Our soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video just as much as I enjoyed sharing the recipe with you guys. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, please like and share.